Welcome back to Vibe with Chart TV. Today, I'm taking you inside one of the newly renovated Executive King rooms at MGM Grand, Las Vegas. We're doing a full room tour, checking out the new upgrades and seeing if it's actually worth the stay. Let's check it out. My first impression walking in was this definitely does not feel like the old MGM Grand rooms. Everything feels brighter, cleaner, and much more modern. The room has a really nice neutral color palette with darker wood accents, and I actually like how simple and upscale everything feels. This living area has plenty of space to actually sit down and relax. You have this large sofa, a chair, coffee table, and of course, a big TV. And I love having a separate sitting area in a hotel room because after walking around Vegas all day, sometimes you just want to come back, kick off your shoes, and do absolutely nothing. There's plenty of open space, so the room doesn't feel cramped at all. Let's turn the TV on. And here you can browse information about MGM Grand, check out dining and entertainment options, and discover other fun things to do around the resort, like the pools and other attractions. It's basically your own little guide to everything MGM has to offer. Now let's check out the bathroom, because I really like what they did with the renovation here. Starting with the shower, you have this nice, spacious walk-in shower with the clean, modern design. Let's step inside, and if you've stayed at any MGM property before, this shower amenities probably look familiar. You got your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash right here. I've used these at other MGM properties before, and I actually really love them. They smell so good, plus you don't have to worry about bringing your own. So that's 3 less things to pack in your luggage, which is always a win when you're traveling. Right next to the shower is the separate toilet area, and I really like that it has a sliding door. You can close for some extra privacy, especially when you're sharing the room. And look how spacious it is in here. You got plenty of room, so it doesn't feel tight or cramped at all. And over here, we have this beautiful double sink vanity with plenty of counter space and a large mirror. And ladies, they also have this stand-up makeup mirror, perfect when you're doing your makeup. I always love having 2 sinks in a hotel room because you can both get ready at the same time without fighting over space. And we even have more amenities. You have a complete hand soap and lotion, and yes, they both smells really good as well. Underneath the sink, you'll find some extra bathroom necessities along with your hair dryer. So you pretty much got everything you need right here. Overall, I really like this bathroom. I think they did a really nice job with the renovation. Moving on, we have this small bar area right here. It's tucked nicely into the room, but there's actually plenty of counter space to set down your drinks, snacks, or anything else you bring back to the room. I also really like the decor they added here. It's simple, modern, and it gives the space a nice upscale touch. Now underneath, we have 2 separate mini fridge. The first one is fully stocked with drinks and it looks very tempting. But don't get too excited because Vegas said you can have it, but you're gonna pay for it. So definitely check those prices before you start grabbing. The second fridge is completely empty and ready for your own drinks and snacks. So hit the store downstairs, stock it yourself, and save those Vegas dollars for something more fun. Now let's move into the bedroom, and I really like how open and spacious it feels in here. You have this comfortable king-size bed, a clean modern design, and of course we have to check out the Vegas view. From room 17305, our view is facing toward the main entrance and the airport. On both sides of the bed, you have your nightstands, and I love that they kept everything up to date. You have a modern alarm clock with a built-in phone charger right on top, plus additional built-in charging outlets. You also have a second TV, which is really nice since there's already one in the living room. So if you're traveling with someone, you don't necessarily have to fight over what to watch. Now, one thing I did check was whether there were any accessible HDMI ports or additional connections in case you wanted to hook up a gaming console. Unfortunately, I couldn't find any easily accessible ones, so if you're planning on bringing your PlayStation or Xbox to Vegas, you might want to leave them home. Trust me, there's plenty to keep you entertained in Vegas. On the other side of the bed, you'll find even more charging outlets, which I really appreciate. It might seem like a small detail, but when you're traveling, having enough outlets is so important, especially if you're a content creator like me or traveling with kids. You already know how quickly those devices start adding up and needs to be charged. I've stayed at some older hotels where you're moving furniture and searching behind the bed just to find an outlet, so I'm really glad MGM thought about this when they renovated the rooms. I would give this bedroom a solid 9 out of 10. Now let's open up the closet. And it's actually a pretty decent size with plenty of room for your clothes and luggage. Inside, you have an ironing board and iron, plenty of hangers, and a laundry bag. They also offer same-day laundry service, which can definitely come in handy, especially if you're traveling for a few days. Over here to the left, you have a nice size safe where you can store your valuables while you're out enjoying Vegas. But my favorite part of this closet has to be the two full-length mirrors, because we need that final outfit check before heading out, making sure the whole look is looking right. Alright guys, that wraps up our tour of the renovated Executive King Room here at the MGM Grand Las Vegas. Overall, I'm really impressed with the renovation. The room feels modern, comfortable, and spacious with plenty of room to relax. Would I stay here again? Absolutely. Would you stay here? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoy this room tour, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel and lifestyle review. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, life is better when you live the vibe.